the bed.
For all the single ladies.
And thank God he wasn't doing that in my house. But there's always a chance maybe later or something.
I'm not single, but that's still to all the single ladies out there.
Exactly right.
Hell, and the married ones too. Or otherwise engaged.
The videotape.
While I have your attention, please remember to tip your waitresses and waiters and bar staff very generously. They're working hard so we can all have a good time.
I'm working hard taking a video.